I'm back out here with the turtles, you all. First, I want to say hello. How you all are doing? I'm back at work, as you see. My scenery. It's the scenery. Um, I'm so blessed to be able to have a job where I can just walk out, just watch the turtles and stuff like that. And I ain't got to do no harsh work, no heavy lifting, no nothing. Just come out here and walk and see the turtles. My turtle friends. I just gave them a little snack and stuff like that. Let me see what this turtle doing right here. He must be too fat to get up. They all coming. Look at that. I love nature, you all. I'm a person that I used to sit and just draw nature. You know what I'm saying? Like trees and flowers, birds. And I love animals. I love just hanging with them. Look at that. Some of them not afraid to come up here at all. They're not afraid. Yesterday I finally seen the big gator turtle, as they were saying, alligator turtle. I filmed him. I just took a picture of him, and so they can see him when I come back Friday. Nothing happened or whatnot. So just love nature. Hello everybody. Hello. Just love being out here. You know. So fun land. There you go. It's a bunch of them out here. This ain't all of them. I'm talking about they all out there in the corners in the mud part of it. Look at this big one here. Come here. Look. It's starting to come up. But hello. Hello. Hello, how you doing? Instead of trying to get his own, he trying to fight and get that other one, that other turtle's snack. Wow. Well, I'm finna head back in the building. I don't did my rounds. I got one more door to check out. But yet, this is me. I miss Saxton, but maybe one day I bring him to work with me. But right now, he'll probably have me in that water trying to get him out. You know. Yep. All I do is check doors, walk the premises, and I don't really have to do that all the time. Then I go, this is the last door. I'm going to check. I'll do another round by 6:30. Just want to show you all a little bit of what I do when I'm here. I have to hold it down a little bit. Okay, I check down here, check over there. Yeah. I love nature. I love to just sit and watch nature. I love to sit in my yard and watch redbirds and blue jays. Because we have them. We have the brown wrens, and we have all kind of birds. See if I can check these doors while I'm in here. That's all I'm doing is checking doors. Ooh. Good. This one was. Yeah. I can sit and listen to my gospel music without any problems. And gotta write in what I did. Okay, patrol to complete. All secure and clear. Okay. Yep. So, I'm blessed. I got a promise I can hold in the middle of the struggle. God, if you said you'll come Lydia Pace. That's June Pace. Martin, First Lady. That's her sister Lydia. Since I'm back in here, I'm just gonna I'll come back on next time I go do a patrol. So I will be back on here. So thank you all for subscribing and viewing our channel, me and Saxton's channel. I surely appreciate it, and I wish he can talk because I'm pretty sure he'd be like, thank you, you know. And we are so blessed to be able to meet new people, and this is one of the main reasons why I'm doing this. I want to let people in and show you what I do on a daily basis. I just want to be able to just meet people, you know what I'm saying, and be able to conversate and learn new things, learn ups and downs, pros and cons of different things. Because some people gonna give you, they're gonna be like, I don't agree with that, or I don't like that. That's a good thing. That's not a bad thing. And I said we shouldn't get upset when somebody speaking their opinions and stuff like that on what they see. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you might have those negativity, you know, people and stuff like that. As they call them, trolls, but I don't give people other names. But I just love it when when you have feedback, it does, and that's a blessing to have feedback. Instead of let you know that, people are watching you, and I have to be extremely careful on how I carry myself and stuff like that. So, and I have Saxton looking and stuff. I promise y'all, he's a spoiled baby. He basically get anything he want. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's some of the main reasons why I'm working, so he can have the things he wants. If he picks something up, like he put his mouth on something in the store, sometimes he gets it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just grateful to be able to have him in my life. So he also helps me as well. So I'm gonna let you all go. Just remember one thing: you can do all things through Christ, which strengthens you. And as long as you stay focused, stay motivated, stay encouraged, because the way things are going now, we need each other. We need to help each other. We need to build each other up instead of tearing each other down. So my motto is quitting is not an option. Somebody gave me that. One of my mentors gave me that. And I just truly thank the Lord for that person. Quitting is not an option. That means I can't quit. No matter what journey, when I go on these journeys and stuff like that, if I don't like it, I got to keep going. You know what I'm saying? So I love you all. Please hit that subscribe button. Please continue to hit it. Please continue to view our channel. And I love you so much. I love you greatly from the heart. I thank God that he placed different people in my life, and just communicate with me and comment. I can't wait to become live, so I can talk to you all on live, that y'all can come and visit my page. When y'all see me, y'all know who I am. So I love you all. Bye-bye.